How to recover deleted Google accounts. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open google.com. There search for recover Google accounts. Tap on first link. Scroll down and tap on recover your Google account link. Here provide your Google account that you want to recover. Tap on next. Here you just have to provide your password and tap on next and your Google account will be recovered. If you have recently recovered your Google account, you will be able to retrieve all your data. Otherwise, you won't be able to retrieve all your data. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.